Is your home safe? It may not happen regularly, but your home and family can be at risk at any time. Never let down your guard. Home security systems are becoming increasingly popular these days, but finding the right home security provider isn't easy at all. You deserve the care of experienced professionals, dedicated to providing an exceptional level of security using the most advanced technologies available. That's why we're here to help. Backed by years of knowledge and experience, we pride ourselves on offering high-quality security equipment and services that meet your budget. From video surveillance, fire, freeze and flood monitoring, and intrusion detection to complete home automation, we create complete life safety solutions for each home and business we serve, from the smallest to the largest. Do you want to have peace in mind seeing your family members living in a secured home? Contact us today for a free, no obligation discussion.